What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skate Park. And after 20 years of teaching skateboarding, I'm going to teach you guys blunt variations to help you build confidence and a better understanding of how they work. Check it out. The skill level for these tricks is intermediate and advanced. And the risk level for these tricks is medium to high. For this lesson, it helps if you can skate comfortably. Ollie. Manual. Drop in. Rock to fakie. Skate a mini ramp. Blunt nose grab rock to fakie. Blunt nose grab to fakie. And knee slide. If you don't know how to do any of these, please refer back to my other videos on this channel to catch up. Here are the things you guys should do. Wear quality pads and a helmet for additional confidence and safety. Practice your blunt nose grab hop out or pop out on a parking stopper first. Reflect on how you messed up or bailed, especially after a slam, so you can learn from it and make the proper adjustments. Practice these tricks enough to build your own creative combinations and style. I hope you find Skatepark lessons to be helpful. Please click that like and subscribe button and hit the bell so you know when a new video comes out every week. The first thing I'm going to help you with is understanding how to pop in, balance, and pop out of a blunt and why. For this, we're going to take to the streets to find ourselves an often overlooked but fun obstacle to skate and learn on. This object is a nice basic parking stopper. They're usually located in almost any parking lot around, like this one right here. Parking stoppers allow you to balance and pivot on top to recreate a similar feeling of coping on a spine ramp or quarter pipe. Not all parking stoppers are made the same, but almost all of them allow you to pivot on top and practice new tricks. This will provide a great opportunity to practice your lock-in, balance point, increase your pop rhythm speed, and build confidence. Your goal is to learn how to land into your blunt with your knees bent by controlling your pump up power and bending down as you lock in and quickly popping out so you can build consistency in your lock-in pop out combination. For consistent lock-ins, you'll need to learn that pinch point in between your back wheels and tail, and since you're moving forward, your momentum will want to keep moving forward when you lock into your stall. So you will have to counterbalance that by leaning back on your tail foot and brace yourself by bending down so your tail stays aimed towards the ground. Having your tail down will create a larger stopping surface for you to smack your tail against. This will prevent you from riding over the parking stopper, ledge, or coping for your blunt tricks. Here are the simple steps for an ollie into a blunt on a parking stopper. Push off into slow speed and set your feet into ollie position. Ollie or lazy pop so you lock in on the top of the parking stopper so that your back wheels transfer over the far side, which creates a pinch point in between your back wheels and your tail. Just as you lock into your blunt, keep your head closer to your back foot as you bend down and into your ollie pop out. Slightly leaning backwards as you pop will allow your back wheels to transfer back over the parking stopper, pop out with the power of an ollie, and just as you pop, lean your head over your front foot. Remember that using your knees to bend down will move your body weight down to change direction and set your stability for maximum control. For extra help with this, you can use your front hand to set your board into drop-in position and practice small ollie pop-outs off of the parking stopper and bend down into your landing on the ground. Here are the simple steps for a blunt rock to fakie on a quarter pipe. Drop in and quickly set your feet into ollie position. Pump up with the same amount of speed as if you were going to rock to fakie. Just as your front wheels are about to hit the coping, gently press on the tail into a quick manual. Extend your pump time up while holding your manual and allow your legs to ride up underneath your body so that when you lock into your blunt, your knees are already bent. Lock into your pinch point just behind your back wheels in between your tail on the coping. Gently lean back as you pop hard and quickly lean your head over your front foot. Extend your legs down into your rock so you land in the middle of your board. Just as you land into your rock, bend your knees and sink your body weight down for extra stability. Now lean back, press on the tail to clear your front wheels, and pump back down the ramp. Pro tips for this trick: remember to set up an Ollie position in the flat bottom. Remember that your pump up the transition should be timed, so just as your back wheels lock into blunt, your body weight comes down and sets ready to spring into your pop out. Your goal for the best rhythm is to lock in and pop out with the same pace it takes for you to rock to fakie on a quarter pipe. If you're not getting a good pop out off the coping, you will need to lean back a little bit more towards the bottom of the ramp as you bend down and spring hard out of that pop. Just as you spring hard, lean your head over your front foot and bend down quickly to catch your balance as you land into rock. Another option to build additional confidence for your blunt variations is to find a bank ramp with coping on top. Typically, a steeper bank ramp will be a little bit easier to lock in and hop out or pop out, especially into rock. But if you don't have a bank ramp with coping, you can practice a bank ramp without coping and practice with a light Ollie into your blunt stall or without an Ollie. Bend down and hop at the top of the ramp just as your wheels go to the flat. Remember to practice the leaning back as you hop or pop to get the board to come back towards your body to help you land your trick and stay with your skateboard. Fake it till you make it. Here's how to bail blunt to rock. If you miss your pop out off of the coping, turn in towards the ramp, land on your feet, run down the ramp and away from your skateboard, or into a knee slide. If you get your pop and mess up into your rock, jump off of your board with both feet, run down your ramp, or into a knee slide. Here are some related trick ideas to inspire you for more combinations. For a beginner, blunt to rock and roll. Half cap blunt to rock. Blunt to backside 50-50. For intermediate, backside blunt, which is a blunt backside 180 in. Half cap blunt to fakie, which is a fakie 180 into your blunt and pop out. And blunt backside disaster. For advanced, frontside blunt, which is a blunt frontside 180 in. Ollie into your blunt to fakie. The skate term for this lesson is rhythm, which is a strong repeated pattern of movement. This is the key to a consistent blunt, just like an Ollie on flat ground. Make sure you practice to build the same timing for your lock in and pop out with every try. Remember that this is a channel and we have many other videos to help you. Please click the blue skate heart logo to find all of our other videos. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. We put a lot of time and love into making quality educational videos for you all. We even upload them for free to help more people around the world. So please send a donation to help us keep this channel alive. Donation details and other important information, including my board setup, are located in the description box below. Leave me your comments or represent your country. Include any questions you may have, your thoughts or feedback about this video, and ideas or lessons for future videos, so I can continue to do my best to help you reach your goals. I hope you were inspired by this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me, JB, back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons.